Hello everyone and welcome. This is going to be a fun one. This week we're making meal prep poke bowls. Now, traditionally poke bowls are going to be made out of raw sushi grade fish, but I would not trust fish in the fridge for a couple of days for meal prep, so we're going to substitute it with shrimp and or tofu. Let's get started.
Start some short grain rice cooking in the background. Grab a bowl and throw in some honey, tamari, garlic, ginger, rice vinegar, and homemade sambal and mix to perfection. Now you have some options here. If you want to use tofu, you can square up a chunk of extra firm and toss it in the bucket. Or clean up and peel some shrimp and cover them in the marinade. In a seasoned medium heat pan, scatter your protein of choice and fry for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until golden black. Now, I'm using a red onion because I lost a bet, but pretend this is a cucumber and then chop up your cucumber. Grate or matchstick your carrot. Turn a large mango into some bite-sized cubes. Slice up some radish. If you want to use a mandolin, I won't be mad at you. Peel and slice some avocado. If you aren't staging multiple meals for a photo shoot, prep an avocado the morning of so it doesn't get sad. We're going to add some vinegar, a brown sugar cube, and some salt to a small bowl and give it a stir. Plop your rice into a large bowl or baking tray. Take your frustrations out on some nori sheets and then spread your sushi potion out evenly across the surface. Fold the rice gently until everything is mixed evenly. Try not to break the grains with your awesome cooking power. Dump some rice into a bowl. Add some cucumber, that's definitely not red onion, some carrots, mango, avocado, bonus points if you make it look pretty, a sprinkle of radish, your protein, handful of edamame beans, garnish with fresh pea shoots, squirt your homemade spicy mayo, then sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds for that restaurant quality presentation.
And there you have it, folks. It's a lot of moving parts for what seems like just chopping up a bunch of raw vegetables, but here we are. You have a bunch of different delicious lunches or dinners to get you through the week. Did you notice any mistakes? Are there any recipes that you want to see me try? Please leave a note in the comments below. Otherwise, if you try this out, let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.